Welcome back to Small Changes Fitness. I am Gloria, and today we're going to be talking about how to do strength training with weights. We're going to use dumbbells. I know some ladies are skeptical about weight training. You're not going to bulk up. Ladies, it would take a lot for you to bulk up. It would take meal prepping, being consistent in your workouts, eating the right amount of carbs, fat, and protein, lifting heavy. And when you see these ladies who are muscular, they are competing most likely in fitness competitions. Weight training is great for women, period. But for older women, we start to lose bone density. So weightlifting for older women is great. So I'm going to show you how to use weights today. Make sure before you start any exercise program that you check with your doctor or primary physician to make sure that you are ready. When you first start using weights, I would suggest starting out with the 3-pound weights or 5 pounds. For beginners, 2 to 3 pounds. Maybe for intermediate, beginners to intermediate, 5 pounds. But if you have not lifted weights, I would suggest 2 to 3 pound weights to get your form going. Once you develop your form of lifting weights, improve your form in lifting and doing your sets and your reps, then you can move to heavier weights. So let's get started with our military shoulder press. Your arms come up at shoulder length, your palms are turned outward from you, and you lift up. Make sure in your arms extending up that you do not lock your elbows. For my beginners, use a 2 to 3 pound weights so that you can complete the 14 reps or repetitions. Just in case you didn't know, rep or repetitions is a complete exercise movement, and the sets are the number of reps that you do within that set. So for example, 14 to 16 reps make up one set. Next is our bicep curls. Your arms are down, your palms are out, and your arms are next to your side. And you lift up. Coming down, make sure you do not lock your arms, your elbow. So you're doing 12 repetitions or reps, and you're doing it twice. So that means that you are doing 2 sets of 12 reps, which would end up being 24 in all. You're going to have a rest period in between those sets, about 30 seconds to 60 seconds. Okay, this is our second set of bicep curls. As you can see, I'm not locking my elbows. And also try not to swing as you come up and doing your bicep curl. You always want to stay in control of your moves. Now we're doing 2 sets and 12 reps of bent over dumbbell rows. This is working the upper back and the triceps. Make sure you squeeze your back as you come up, and also make sure that you do not lock your elbows, and you should be looking straight ahead as you do these. Now this is our second set of bent over dumbbell rows, and you're doing another set of 12. Try not to swing your body as you pull up. Stay in control of your movements. Always have control. Make sure you're breathing. Okay, so now we're doing 2 sets of 12 reps of tricep kickbacks. This is working your triceps. Also, for the secondary muscles that it's working, your shoulders and your forearms. Stay in control in this move. Also, make sure that you are breathing. Okay, so it's time for our second set of kickbacks, and that's 12 reps. Try to squeeze those triceps as you come up in that move. Now on to our squats. We're going to do 2 sets of 12 reps. And you're bending down, making sure that your knee does not go over the toe of your feet. It's almost like sitting in a chair. You're trying to keep your knees and your ankles aligned together. Come down onto your heels. Lean back onto your heels. Also, make sure that you're squeezing those glutes when you come up in this move. So now it's time for our second set of 12 reps of squats. Make sure that you are leaning on your heels, leaning back on your heels. Make sure you're holding your abs in, stay in control of your move, and make sure that you are squeezing those glutes through this move. And also make sure that you are breathing. If you would like to see more of these type of videos, please leave a comment down in the comment section and let me know. And let me know if you like this. Okay, this is our last exercise. This is chest presses. So I found a little chest that I have at home to give me leverage off of the floor to do the chest presses. But you can do them on the floor. You don't have to have leverage, but I think it's better. So we're doing chest presses, which works the chest, the shoulders, and the triceps. This is our second set of 12 reps of chest presses, our last exercise for the day. And make sure you're holding your abs in, and make sure you're not locking your elbows. Make sure you're breathing. And I appreciate you all being here today and working out with me. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Let others know about workouts from home with Small Changes Fitness and me, Gloria. And you all have a blessed day.